What is the due regard principle in space law? Have you ever wondered how countries ensure that their activities in space do not interfere with one another? The answer lies in the due regard principle in space law. This principle is a key aspect of international space law that requires states to consider the interests and rights of other states when conducting activities in outer space. It is established by Article 9 of the Outer Space Treaty, which governs the peaceful use and exploration of outer space. At its essence, the due regard principle means that when a state plans a space mission, such as launching a satellite or sending a spacecraft, it must think about how these actions could impact other states' operations in space. This includes avoiding harmful interference and preventing collisions. For example, if one country launches a satellite, it must ensure that it does not create space debris that could endanger another country's spacecraft. Astronauts and space missions benefit greatly from this principle. Astronauts undergo extensive training to handle complex and often dangerous situations in space. The due regard principle helps create a safer environment by encouraging responsible behavior among all nations involved in space activities. By respecting this principle, countries can help prevent accidents that could jeopardize crewed missions or scientific satellites. In practical terms, the due regard principle promotes cooperation and communication between space agencies. This collaboration is essential for coordinating activities, sharing information about spacecraft trajectories, and establishing safety zones around sensitive operations. As more commercial and governmental space missions are launched, developing international norms and standards for responsible behavior in space becomes increasingly important. The due regard principle is a foundational rule in space law. It ensures that all states take into account the impact of their space activities on others. This consideration is vital for maintaining a secure and sustainable space environment, which is essential for the success and safety of astronauts and their missions. As we look to the future of space exploration, understanding and applying this principle will be key to fostering a cooperative atmosphere in the cosmos.